Hey folks, MS Tech here, and I'm back again with another tutorial. I have seen all the comments you guys have left me about other Checkra1n errors, so this video is here to address it. So let's get it. So I'm assuming you already have Checkra1n on your system. If not, please go to the Checkra1n website and download the latest version of Checkra1n and install it on your device. Once you have it, I'm assuming you already have it running. Try running the latest version of Checkra1n and see if that solves your issue. If not, make sure you check your cable, and if that still doesn't work, keep following this video. Error number 20. Make sure that you run Checkra1n and you follow the instruction on the screen. Once Checkra1n finishes the second countdown, make sure that you press both buttons depending on your device and hold it. You need to hold it down for about 30 seconds. Make sure you do not let anything go. Either both volume button or the volume and home button. If you are successful, you should see this screen. Get back on your computer and run the USB patcher. Once successful, just run Checkra1n from your PC again. Error 31. Just make sure you check that box and that Checkra1n is from a fresh boot and just start it. It should fix the issue. Error 71. Make sure you always fresh boot your Checkra1n, tick the safe mode option only, and press start to run the hack. Error 77. This method will work with the client version of Checkra1n. This happens when your phone has a passcode on, so make sure you disable it. Error 77. This error is caused by your phone locked. So what you want to do is to actually disable your phone passcode, and once you disable your phone passcode, you want to restart the Checkra1n Guy application. So you should press quit and then relaunch it again by type. Error 78. It means that you need to have a fresh boot of Checkra1n. So if you're using Linux, just use sudo Checkra1n. If not, just make sure you restart Checkra1n from scratch so that it could run without this error. 28. This one is actually set up by you using the Checkra1n application too many times, so you want to quit the guy as well and then type sudo Checkra1n. That should boot you back into the application like in the fresh intro, and then you should be able to. Error 79 and 94. Make sure for this one that you tick the allow untested iOS and the safe mode button. Hit back and start. That should get the program running. As always, make sure it's from a fresh boot. And if you have done so and you manage to jailbreak your device, you should see that all iOS version up to the latest one is working. Even the beta ones are working. I had to downgrade my back again. Regardless, Checkra1n has come so far that even with a bypass iPhone, you can have access to cellular data, FaceTime, messaging, and calling. So yeah, have fun jailbreaking. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to MS Tech for more videos. Thank you.